Today, we're diving into the DOEL 55-inch 10-points infrared touch frame, and let me tell you, it's a game-changer for DIY mirror booths. With a 10-point touch system, this touch frame offers precise and accurate inspection, allowing multiple touch points simultaneously. Whether you're using fingers or touch pens, the screen responsiveness is impressive. Point one standout feature is the auto-calibration. If the touch frame size matches your screen size, it's a true plug-and-play experience. No need for manual calibration, it's hassle-free. Just plug the USB interface into your computer, and voila, a touch screen is ready to go. The HID plug-and-play driver is free for Windows OS, Android, and Mac OS. What's even more impressive is the waterproof and stain-proof design. Even if water or stains make their way onto the screen, it won't compromise the accuracy of the touch frame. It's highly adaptable in various environments. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts, this infrared touch frame is ideal for mirror booth projects. For example, a 65-inch touch frame can seamlessly fit a 65-inch mirror booth with a 55-inch screen. If you encounter any calibration challenges due to size differences, worry not. DOEL provides excellent screen calibration technical support. In conclusion, the DOEL 55-inch infrared touch frame is a fantastic choice for those looking to elevate their DIY mirror booth projects. With 10-point touch, plug-and-play simplicity, and robust adaptability, it's a must-have for any creative endeavor. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.